Hey y'all, today we're going to be looking at a double room at the Travelodge in Gainsborough, Lincolnshire. This is a newly refurbished, from what I can tell, Travelodge hotel with just a little reception downstairs, no restaurant or anything like that. As you can see here, you have to scan your keycard for access to the actual hotel room, and I foolishly didn't get my keycard out. I'm already booked in, so I know I'm in room 103, which is a standard double room, which is on the first floor. The hotel does have 4 floors, which you can get to from this lift, all the way up to room 414. This hotel doesn't have any of the Travelodge Plus rooms, only the standard rooms. And as there is no reception, you can purchase one of these breakfast boxes for £5.50, but if I'm being honest, I would save you money and just nip to the Wetherspoons, which is literally just round the corner, where for approximately the same amount of money you can get yourself a proper full English breakfast. And here we are at room 103, and this time I've got my key card ready. Okay, so let's have a look at what's inside this double room. As you can see, we've got a nice king size bed, a bathroom which is actually nice and clean, lovely and white in here, big mirror, wave hello, hi, a spare toilet roll, toilet, sink, shower, shavers and non-stealable toiletries. Shower's actually alright, but the head kept falling down. Yeah, provided with enough towels. This hotel is air conditioned, which is really nice actually, and quite quiet. You've got these lovely, weird looking bedside table lights. We've got USB and power at both sides, and a uplighter, which is great for going to sleep at night. Nice big TV, mirror, desk area, with a bottle opener on the side. Got the usual tea, coffee, and a desk lamp. We actually used the hotel as a jumping off point for going into Lincoln. We managed to go to the last ever Christmas market there. Also visit to the beautiful cathedral, as you can see here. Lovely gardens and free to go round. Really lovely area. Inside was lovely and Christmassy because of the time of year, but well worth a visit to the cathedral. And just generally the town of Lincoln itself is absolutely gorgeous. As well, right outside the hotel you've got Marshall's Yard, which is a big out of town, or in town as it is, shopping area with loads of shops like M&S, Next, Superdrug, all the usual ones, including some eating areas like Cozy Club. So if you're wanting a meal out while you're at the hotel, this is a great place to go for that. But overall, this hotel cost around about £25 for the night, and I think for the fact it's a clean and tidy hotel, newly renovated, you can't really go wrong. I'd definitely stop here again, especially if I'm going into Lincoln. Okay, so what's the pros and cons of this, the Travelodge Gainsborough Hotel then? Well, I guess on the pro side it's cheap. £25 on average a night is bloody cheap. Parking's not too expensive either. It's £6.50 for 24 hours. It's ideal for getting to Lincoln, 30-minute drive. It's found out it's not recently refurbished. It's actually brand new built 2021. And you know what you're getting. It's a Travelodge. You're not going to be surprised. It's a comfy room. It's clean. It's tidy. You know what you're getting. On a con side, well, there's no restaurant. There are lots of local eating options, but there's no restaurant in the building. In fact, the facilities in the building are quite sparse. You've got a reception and a vending machine, and that's about it. Whilst the parking isn't extortionate, it's not free. And actually, I'd expect that in a small town like Gainsborough. And the last thing is there's no Travelodge Plus rooms for such a new hotel. I'm surprised they don't have some of their nicer rooms which give you that more luxurious feel, as luxury as you're going to get for a Travelodge anyway. There's none of that there, so you can't do that. but overall, a really good place to stay. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you want to, subscribe or like the video. It helps me out massively. Thanks a lot. Bye.